Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So if you see the chart of Nifty from 16,800 we saw a one-way move and then Nifty is consolidating. It has a support at 17,200 and resistance in the range of 17,350 to 17,500. So 17,350 to 500 range will act as a higher end, and once Nifty breaks 17,200 then Nifty can fall till 17,000. So Nifty is looking weak, but if Nifty closes around 17,350 then we may see a bounce from here. Now let's see Bank Nifty. So if you see the chart of Bank Nifty from last couple of days was trading in this range, that is 37,800 and 37,300. So Bank Nifty should break this range convincingly for move. So if Bank Nifty breaks 37,800 900, then it can go till 38,100 38,500. But in case we see a breakdown and Bank Nifty breaks 37,300, then Bank Nifty can fall to 37,100, 37,000, and below 37,000 it can go till 36,600. Now let's see our stocks. So our first stock is Coforge, and if you see the daily chart, then after a sell off we saw a bounce, and after sideways movement consolidation we are again seeing a breakdown. So you can sell Coforge below 42.90. Your target will be 41.20, and there's a resistance at 43.80. So 43.80 should be your stop loss. Now let's see our second stock. So our second stock is SBI, and if you see after a fall it has closed above previous swing high, and the next resistance is at 1230 1250. So you can buy SBI and your target will be 1230 1250, and you will have to maintain a stop loss at 1100. So that's all for today's video. If you liked my video, please share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.